Hi, my name's Seija and I live on a big green leafy hill in the south of Brisbane. Yeah, I've got a fabulous view of the IKEA store. Well, I am a real estate agent and a youth worker. So at the end of the day, I come home quite exhausted and ready just to relax and wind down. I've got my crystals, aromatherapy and singing bowls, but the other side is I have my shoes all over the place and my clothes exposed everywhere. I hold aromatherapy workshops in my home. It's a little bit challenging to create privacy when there are no walls in my room. Bringing nature in my bedroom is very important, just like crystals. If you bring plants in, you're actually bringing life into your room. I want to wake up in the morning feeling relaxed and recharged. My first reaction was, oh my God, I love it. It definitely feels personal now. It feels like me to a T. The curtains and the mirrored doors and the space behind my bed that's been created. It is just awesome. This room has such a positive energy now and the energy flows all the way around. My shoes are off the floor. There's more space to dance around in. I love my rejuvenation space in the corner and I can now put my makeup on and actually see with the light. I can now start my day more rejuvenated and energized. I really love the curtains. It's such a beautiful touch. I feel like I'm in a cocoon of curtains. Everything has come together beautifully and the crystals have just been worked in very well with all the nature and the pictures. This room has really become my sanctuary now.